I really don't get it. Like, someone needs to answer our questions.
From 2019 to 2024, when you look at the rosemary mint oil SKUs, since the P&G acquisition, nothing has changed.
Welcome to the Lazy and Lock channel. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. And if you're a returning subscriber, as usual, thank you for your subscription and welcome back to the channel. So today's video, I'm going to be touching base on this Mielle controversy, this Mielle situation. If you don't know, Mielle is currently trending and a lot of Black women are coming out in droves talking about how Mielle and the Mielle product line has been adversely affecting their hair. Their hair has been coming out in clumps. Some have been claiming that they've been having boils and abrasions on their scalp, that their hair has been thinning out ever since using the Mielle products.
Life does not. Oh my God. Oh my God. Bruh.
And I feel like this was a befitting conversation to have because Mielle, actually the oil is an oil that I have been using, and I've been using Mielle for the past year. I usually use olive oil and coconut oil as my oil basis for my locks when I do put oil on my locks. But Mielle I saw on social media and I was like, let me try it. And I bought a bottle at Target and I've been using it. I actually don't have any more left. I have maybe like 4 or 5 droplets left. To me, on a personal account, it hasn't done anything adverse to my hair. I use it primarily on my edges. So I would just like put it on, pretty much around the perimeter of my locks and on the edges. And it really didn't do anything negative to my locks, but apparently there is a lot of people, a lot of Black women, not even people. Let's just keep it really specific. A lot of Black women complaining that this product has did adverse reactions to their hair. As someone who is going to be entering the hair care space very, very soon, as a matter of fact, this is my sample that came in yesterday with my product development that I'm working with a chemical company and a chemist on this product. And I'm so excited about this. All I'm going to say is subscribe to this channel if you want to see the next video, because the next video is going to be talking about this, and I'm actually going to be using this product and unboxing it. It's still boxed up. I taped it because I didn't want to give away company information with the packaging, but if you follow me on Instagram, you already know that this is something that I've been working on for a very long time. So just subscribe and put on your bell notification because I'm going to be using and testing that product and talking about this product very, very, very soon. Super excited about it, by the way. As somebody who's going to be entering the space, it makes me think of Monique Rodriguez, which is the founder of Mielle Organics. And I was looking a little bit into her journey. I believe it was her and her husband that first started and founded the company. And then something arose where there was a lawsuit and people, I think it was a class action, and they settled. But I'm not sure if it happened before or after she sold Mielle to Procter & Gamble, which is P&G. So I'm not sure what the circumstances was of that lawsuit. I have to look and really go back and see, because now I'm intrigued. Now I want to know if you have used this product or the shampoo. I know there's like, every time I go to Target, I see a whole product line. I see shampoo, I see conditioners, I see pomades and masks, and I see all different types of stuff. Oils. I think the oil is like the biggest seller. What do you think about it?
How did I not know that you could use Mielle's rosemary mint oil for split ends? Like, it literally says it on the bottle. Thanks to Mielle Organics for sending me this hair care product, and also make sure you check out their website at mielleorganics.com.
I really want to know what that lawsuit was about. Like, I really want to dig deep into the case, because apparently they had a lot of periods where people was coming out in different parts throughout the 10 years. I think she's been in business for 10 years with different types of complaints. So I'm not sure of what's going on with this, but do leave your comments down below if you have used a Mielle product and you have been noticing, especially if you have locks, because I think that's a big distinction to make as well. Loose natural hair is not going to act the same way as locked hair. Obviously, when you have locked hair, your hair is locked. So it's strengthened because the strands is matted and locked together. There's strength in that strand of a lock. Whereas if you have loose natural hair, your hair is loose. So your hair could be more prone to breaking. It could be more prone to having those adverse effects.
Believe in the power of our products. So when I made the decision to partner with P&G, it was driven by my vision to take Mielle to new heights and become a global beauty brand. That vision remains as strong as ever today. And so I am so grateful for the opportunities that this partnership has brought us.
But my thing and my question is, how come it seems that every time a Black entrepreneur comes out with a beauty product specifically catering to Black hair, they get sold out or brought out, or they go to somebody bigger and better in the industry, sell their empire to them, and then we don't get the same product quality that we had when it was on a smaller scale? If you was to ask me, I really do think, and this may be a conspiracy theory of mine, but I do think there is some sabotage that's going on behind the scenes that we as the consumers may not know about, because it just seems like the pattern continues. This is not the first time that a Black entrepreneur who came out with a really good product sold off to a bigger, more known, world-renowned company, and consumers who was using those products said that it doesn't even look the same, it doesn't even feel the same. I just feel like it's a form of sabotage, and I feel like, unfortunately, us as Black women who consume most of these products, we're getting the shorter end of the stick, because now we are being used as guinea pigs. I do feel that behind the scenes, these bigger companies who may want to come out with a different type of product is using the Mielle brand to pretty much test and experiment on different formulas, chemicals within the shampoos and conditioners. And well, we're not going to go over to L'Oreal. We're not going to go over to Herbal Essence or Tresemme and do this. Let's do this with a company who is known to be Black owned, because Black people don't read. Black people don't really know when a company is being sold off to another company. So let's do our experimentations on a hair brand that is primarily Black women. And oh yeah, let's throw in that they also have the strongest hair, right? So they could take the damage, they could take the pain. If their hair falls off, oh, it's okay, because their hair is stronger and more thicker than the Caucasian, than the Asian, than any other group of women, right? We have the kinky, coily, 4C, 4 type hair, whatever the case may be. So let's just see what's going on that side. Let's just use it. And from there, we can create a bigger and better product. This is what I think is happening. And I don't know if this is something that Miss Rodriguez thought about when she created this product, or does she think, I want to make this product, I want to get rich, and I want to exit left? I'm not sure, but it's a very unfortunate situation. And I've been seeing a lot of Black women with their hair like in clumps coming out, and I don't know what's happening. I don't know if when she sold off the company to Procter & Gamble, her vendors and stuff, I don't know if she was able to keep those vendors, or she had to acquiesce to whatever vendors Procter & Gamble uses. Will I use Mielle again? Put your comments down below. I wanted to just bring awareness to this, because I know there's also a lot of you who have micro locks who probably use Mielle in your locks. And I just wanted you to be aware of the situation. Not saying to not go out and buy another Mielle product, because if your locks have been doing good using Mielle products, I would say continue to use it. If it's not broke, don't try to fix it. And just because somebody said, or you hear news about something not working, if it's working for you, I definitely would continue to use it. I'm gonna go buy another bottle of this oil, and I'm going to use it because I like it. Like, I like using it on my edges. I like the feel of it, and until I see otherwise, I'm going to continue to use, but I don't know. Very unfortunate situation. So comment down below. And again, if you're interested in seeing my unboxing of my product that I'm going to be unveiling very soon, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you know when that video drops. In the meantime, y'all be safe, take care, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.
Black people, assemble, because this is actually buttering me. Because first of all, why do they need access to our scalps so bad? Like, have you guys seen what's going on with Mielle? Like, you find a good black owned product, you're enjoying it, you have your favorite products in the line, and all of a sudden they're sold. All of a sudden there's a lawsuit. All of a sudden we're losing our hair, because I really don't get it. Let me take the shades off. I forgot I had the shades on. Am I about to go and find products that work for my hair again? Like, am I about to go and start from ground zero? Is that what's going on? Like, what I am, and don't tell me about innocence, or I am not spending $28 on a hair product. Like, I'm sorry, because the way we run through those, if it was like, if a leave-in conditioner was something I just need a tiny bit of it, I don't mind. $28, I'm gonna be using it for 6 months. But no, these products last 2-3 wash days. So imagine you have to re-up on those, especially if you're actually washing your hair as frequently as you should. We shouldn't be spending that much. I don't get it, because this is my favorite leave-in. You know, when you finally find a product that works for you and you just know you're gonna stick with it forever. Like, look, I go through these so fast because my hair is low porosity, and it's hard to find a product that actually moisturizes my hair. So when it moisturizes, I am going to stick with it. So I really don't get, literally my wash day, I had to pack all my Mielle products because I was really furious. My recent wash day, I tried this clarifying shampoo and I was raging about it in the shower while I was washing my hair. Like, good lather, it's cleaning my hair. My wash and go afterwards, perfection, because when your hair is really clean, your wash and go is going to eat. So I just know this clarifying shampoo worked wonders for my hair. This oil is my favorite oil. This almond oil, for like twist outs, for like just oiling your hair in general. Like, why is it so difficult for good products to be affordable for us? And second, why is it difficult to find a good product that is not going to get bought out and it's not going to start turning around and causing scalp issues, causing hair loss? Like, I really don't get it. Like, someone needs to answer our questions. Why do you need access to our scalp so bad? Like, what is there that we don't know? Because it could never be for our benefits. We know it could never be for our benefit. So we need to know what really is going on with our scalp. Like, why? Can you just leave us to flourish? Like, I'm literally on my way to Sally's because I have to find products that would work. Why is this card looking sketchy? Like, so what are you guys doing? What are you guys using? Because even this mousse is my good mousse. What was next? They're gonna buy the do? It's gonna be bought? Which product is next? Because every day is like, we turn around. Because first of all, they didn't make products for us. So we turned around and started making products for us. Next thing you know, they buy it and they mess it up. Like, what is it about? Like, what is it about the access to our scalp? What is it about these ingredients? Like, what is it that we're not seeing? Because enough is enough. Because it gets really frustrating, where you started this natural hair journey to find products that work for your hair, and then you find them and you blink twice and you lose it for stupid reasons because it was working fine. I just felt like I needed to vent. Honestly, truly speaking, there's no reason why this should be happening like clockwork. It's a pattern. Like, it's not like the relaxers weren't detrimental. We knew they were detrimental to us. But these are products that we are using to care for our hair. And you turn around and it's causing hair breakage, hair falling out, scalp issues. What more is it causing that we don't even know about? Yeah, that's it. That's all I came here to say, because I'm just pissed. I'm just frustrated. I'm just annoyed.